Hello everyone, welcome to the continuation of our previous lesson. Okay, so our previous lesson we learned to create a contact information screen as you see here. So today what I'll be doing will be learning to create my contact home. So this screen is what we'll be doing today. Okay, so that said, we would have to go to our Figma project. Okay, so remember we did this, and then we have to just add a new screen. Okay, so I can just go here, okay, to the frame, click on frame, and then since we used this, I'm just going to select this was what we used. Okay, I have to position it well, so let me just bring it down. Okay, so so now we would have to, let's see what we have to do now. So we have to do that of the text and then this profile or avatar. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, so that said, I'm just going to have to copy this, Control C, Control V, and then I'll move it here. And let me see if it's the same. Okay, so I'm going to have to reduce this. Let me first change to my home. Is it my home? So sorry, my contacts. Okay, so my contacts. Let me change it to my contacts. Contacts. Okay, and then I'm going to give it a size of let's say 24. So 24. Okay, so 24 is okay. Let me see. This was 36. This was 24. So 24. Okay, so let's just do it 36. Okay, so just leave it as 36. Okay, so let me see the distance 24, 38. So hold on Alt and let me see. So there's 26. So I'm going to make it with the arrow key, left arrow key. I'm going to shift it to 24, and then it's already 38 at the top. Okay. Then now we would have to do that of the profile. Okay, so the profile is I think 40 by 40. The avatar 40 by 40. Okay, so I can just Control C this, Control C, Control V, then bring it here. I can change the size here to 40, 40 by 40. Okay, then just try to align it here. Let me see the distance. So here is 35. Okay, so Alt, so 40. I'm going to change it to, so it's 40. So with the right arrow key, I'm going to move it to 35. Okay, so this is quite okay. And then we'll do that of the search bar. Okay, so with the search bar, we'll have to use the rectangle tool. Then I'm going to draw here, and then I'll give it a radius of let me see what radius was used. So the radius should be 12 pixels. Okay, so 12. So I'll go do so sorry for that. I'll have to change the radius to 12. Okay, 12 is not that okay. So let's see. Let's check out the height first. So the height is 40, the width is okay, 40, 327. So 40 for the height, and then here 3 2 3 2. What is this? 327. Okay, so that's right. Okay, just try and center it. Okay, and then the color is white, so I'm going to give it a white color background. Okay, and then if you look closely, you see that it has a drop shadow. Okay, so a drop shadow. So I would go to, let's just see how. So a drop shadow. So in our effects panel or effects section, I'm going to click here. The drop shadow is already selected, so I'll click on this. Then um, let me see what happens. Okay, let me use a blur. Let me use it 5, and then I'll set my Y to 0. Okay, so I'm going to increase the blur, or let's increase the spread a bit. So let's do it. Okay, so what I did was I changed my Y to 2 so that we have the shadow most beneath. Okay, and then my blur was set to 12. Now if you study carefully, you'll notice that the distance here is 23. Okay, so um, I can still stretch it. So let me just use Alt. Okay, and then I'm going to use the left arrow key to move it. So I get 23. Okay, and then the distance, so I'm going to have to stretch this. And then let me hold Alt and then check to 26. Okay, 26 is okay because here what's happening? Okay, sorry for that. So here, okay, click here and check, it's 25. So just leave it to mine is 26 and here's 23. So we'll leave it this way. Now what we can do is take this. So now we would have to do that of the search icon. So the search icon, I'm just going to have to select this. Remember we picked this on the previous lesson, and then I'm going to give it a color value of let me click on the fill property here, and I'll give it this ash or gray color. Okay, let's see the size, 21 by 21. So I can just change it here, 21 by 21. Okay, then I'm going to move it inside here, so it's okay. So the distance is 24. So okay, so let me move it back so that gets 24. Okay, and then we'll have to type the hint. So the hint is search by name or number. Search by name or number. We'll just have to select this. Okay, Control C, and then I'll paste it inside. Control V. Maybe what happened? Okay, now I'm going to change it to search by name or contact. Search by name or or number rather, or number. search by number. I'm going to move it here. Okay, and then it seems to be centered. And then let me check. Okay, so 15. So the distance is 15. Okay, so 15. So let's do that. Alt. So how to I'm going to set to 15. Okay, 15. Okay, so we are done with this. Then let's preview it and see. So let me change here to contact. Is it my contact home? So let's just do it home. So home. Then you can preview it now. Okay. Okay, so there's the preview for the first screen and then the preview for the second screen. Okay, so thank you. See you in the next lesson.